GreenFile Database is a database that is focused on the environment and its relationship to other disciplines and also human ecology. So how individuals are shaped by the environment and how they go on to shape the environment. It's an interdisciplinary database. It contains over 9,000 full records and 162,000 citations, and that's as of 2014. If you want to get started searching in here, all you have to do is type in the search box. Let's say you're doing research on urban sprawl. You just type your keyword here, press search. I get over 1,000 results here. One of the ways to narrow down searches when you're doing a search, particularly when you're searching for a phrase, is to put it in quotation marks. And what this will do, this will filter all results that don't mention urban sprawl together as a phrase. I'm going to do that search, and now I'm down to 1,135. If you want to be able to read any of the articles, you would click on the title and see if it's available. If you want to eliminate some articles here that are not full text, again, most of the articles in this database are just citations. They're not the full article. You'll notice on the left hand side there's a limit to full text. I'm going to click on this button, and now I get articles. If I want to read the PDF full text, I can. Going back to the search screen, if you click on the title itself, you'll get a full record, which includes the source, so where it was published. I can see this was published in Environmental Health Perspectives. You see an abstract or a summary. You'll see information about the authors. You'll also notice there's subject terms. Now, I would recommend clicking on any one of these subject terms, because if you click on them, you'll get all articles that are classified under that search term. Going back to the record, the full record for this article, you notice on the right you have a couple of options. One of them is to add to a folder. It only takes a couple of minutes to get a folder started within this database and all other EBSCO databases. And you know you're in an EBSCO databases because you'll see this EBSCOhost logo in the top left-hand corner. If you create a folder, you'll be able to save items and you'll be able to review them later. You can print the citation here, and if you wanted to print the entire article, you'd have to click on the PDF full text, and usually down at the bottom you have an option to print. You can save the citation. There's a cite button here, and what this does, this shows you how to cite it in a number of popular citation styles. So you could copy and paste this in your works cited page. If you wanted to do an advanced search and combine search terms, just click on the advanced search. You can begin typing in other words. Let's say you're doing research on the effect of urban sprawl on climate change or global warming. Now what I'm going to do here is type in this box climate change, and you notice that the two words are connected together using and. On just about every database you'll see this and, or not in the advanced search screen. What this does, this allows you to put together two keywords in a search. So if you want to search for all articles that mention urban sprawl and climate change, use the and button. If you want to search for all articles that mention urban sprawl or climate change, but not necessarily together in the same article, you could do an or search. So again, this is a phrase, so we want to put it in quotation marks. And let's look up also some related keywords. I'm going to type in global warming here, and instead of and, I'm going to choose or. So what this is going to search, this will search urban sprawl and global warming together, or urban sprawl and global warming together. So whenever I'm using two related words, two synonyms, I can string them together in my search using the OR button. So now I'm going to press search. Okay, so now I get 11,000 results. Again, all of these articles either have the phrases urban sprawl and climate change in them, or they have urban sprawl and global warming in them. So these are just some basic ways to get started searching in the GreenFile database. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.